Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Glad to have you stop by and check out this channel. I hope you enjoy it. And today I thought I would just share a quick grocery haul. It is our Thanksgiving weekend, so there'll be some cooking for our family dinner that we will be going over to my mom's house for, and I need to do a few things, so we had to pick up a few things. Some is from Costco and some is from our local grocery store. So if you're new here, thank you once again for stopping by. I hope that you like this video and think about giving it a thumbs up, and maybe even think about subscribing by hitting that red button below. And to all my returning friends, thanks for stopping by. So let's get into this grocery haul and I'll show you what I got at my grocery store. So the first thing we needed, always need some milk for our tea. So I got some milk. My son is home for the weekend because it is our Thanksgiving weekend, so he and his dad like their steak. So I picked up 2 steaks, one for each of them for dinner tonight. For the week, for my husband and I, we like to make the odd pizza for ourselves, and this is a really good multi-grain crust, and it's thin. There's actually 2 in this package, so we like to have a quick little easy meal sometimes after work is just to make up a little pizza with a salad. So we like that. I got 2 loaves of bread. We were out of bread. We like to get the Country Harvest kind. Let's see how for salads to go with our pizzas and other things, even for dinner. I got some romaine lettuce. And I eat a lot of salads during the week. We got a couple of tomatoes, and we will use that either on the pizza and in the salads or for tomato sandwiches. I like those. Some green onions for the salads. My husband loves avocado. He loves to make some avocado toast in the morning with his eggs, so I got him some of those. So for the family dinner tomorrow, I'll just reach over and grab this. So I will be bringing Brussels sprouts, and I will roast those in the oven and put some balsamic vinegar on it. And that's what I plan to bring for dinner tomorrow night, along with some turnip. I love turnips, so I got a few turnips to make. There'll be about 13 of us there, so we have to have a few. My husband likes baking potatoes to go with his steak. So for tonight, he and my son, I got them each a potato. For myself, I like to snack on, and my husband, we like to snack on some snap peas with hummus or just by themselves. I like to snack on those, so I got those. And then my husband makes the best mashed potatoes, so we always bring mashed potatoes to my family's dinner. So I got a big bag of potatoes so he can make his mashed potatoes. And of course, some eggs for the house. We go through eggs. We try to have an egg every morning, each of us, so we go through one of those. So that was from my local grocery store. And now I'll show you what I got for my Costco haul. Okay, so from Costco, I picked up some peanut butter because I plan to make my peanut butter oat honey squares, and I will leave a link up above for that recipe. I've done a video on that, and in case you're interested, we love those squares. They're so good. So I also needed some honey, and this is the first time I've seen these at Costco. But this was a really good deal. I think it was $13.99 for the 3 of them, and there's quite a bit in here, so it made sense. We can keep some on the side. My husband likes honey on his toast, so he can have some, and this was a really good deal. Honey's pretty expensive up here. And of course, we got some bananas. We like our bananas throughout the week, take them to work and munch on them. Apples. Apples. We got a big bag of apples. They're called Envy apples. The flavor of them, they're so good. So we got a big bag of apples. We each take one, at least one. I take at least one to work, maybe sometimes 2. We got some strawberries. I love strawberries, so I'll cut those up and have them throughout the week. And blueberries, we love blueberries in our yogurt, and my husband makes a mean pancake on the weekends and he makes blueberries. So got some more blueberries. And then, not food related, but I picked up this really, really pretty house coat. I need a new one for the winter months, and I've been looking for one, and oh, I wish you could feel this. It's so soft and so pretty. It's such a pretty dusty rose color. I love that color. And it's not too heavy. It looks heavy, but it's not. And you know, when you get to be a certain age, you can't wear anything too heavy. So this will be great for around the house. And yeah, I'm really excited with it. It looks, like I said, it looks extremely warm, and it probably is, but it's nice and soft, and it's quite light. So I think it'll be perfect. But we got that, and that was only $20, so that was a good deal. So that's it. It was a small grocery haul today. We do have our Thanksgiving this weekend, so we will be over at my mom's for a bit for dinner, and I will be making my Brussels sprouts, my turnip, and our mashed potatoes for our contribution. And then we head off on vacation for 2 weeks, so we really didn't want too much food in the house while we're gone. We don't want it to go rotten on us. So it was a small one this week, and it'll get us through until we leave. And yeah, so that's it for today. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video on our weekend grocery haul, and I hope you have a fabulous week. Bye, you guys.